శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 796th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, the Hastinapura kingdom, if it is in the hands of Duryodhana, it is not good. The people used to say like this, if the Vedam is chanted by women and small children, the Swaram will be anyway not going to be correct. And the Swaram will be destroyed. So also, if the kingdom is in the hands of Duryodhana, it will be definitely destroyed. O Dharmaja, you are in such a very sad state. We are also losing so many things along with you and because of you. That is why, if you want to make charities to the maximum extent to all the Brahmanas, if you want to get rid of this situation right now, immediately you have to get your chariot and go back and start fighting with Duryodhana and his brothers. You have to declare the war. O Dharmaja, as and how Devendra fights with Asuras, just like that you have so many great soldiers on your side, and your brothers also great soldiers. You immediately have to collect all of them, take blessings from your Brahmanas, and then attack on Hastina. Nahi Gandeva Muktanam Sharanam Gardravasasam Sparsham Asi Vishabhanam Martyah Kaschana Samsahet. Your brother Arjuna, if he shoots arrows from his Gandivam, there is no one on this earth can face those arrows. Not only that, my own great Gada's power, nobody can take that on this earth. And we have Sri Krishna Paramatma with us. Let us all together, taking all of us together, why don't you declare war and attack Hastina, and why can't you get your kingdom back? O Dharmaja, if you put all your efforts and do the war, do the battle, definitely you will get your kingdom back right now, which is there in the hands of your enemies. Like that Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.